Medicare open enrollment begins today. What do you need to know? Well, I spoke with a Medicare expert. He gave me all the information that you will need heading into this enrollment period. Let's take a look.
For those who have Medicare, it is time to look at your coverage and everything that you have that are options to make sure that you have the coverage that you need. I'm speaking with Kyal Moody. He's a Medicare expert. He's going to update us on everything we need to know. Kyle, thanks for joining us here on Park City Television.
Oh, thank you so much for having me this morning.
So let's get started. What do we need to know? What do we need to review?
Well, it's really important that once a year that those people who already have a Medicare plan go through the process of determining if the plan they previously had is going to be the right plan for them going forward. And for anyone who's new to Medicare, these same principles apply. So what I recommend is that everybody who's looking for a plan going into 2021 gather some important pieces of information. Who's your primary physician? Are there any specialists you see? Are there any hospitals that you'd like to see? Do you have any prescription drugs that you take on a regular basis? What's your budget? And are there any other ancillary services that are important to you? Once you gather those things, you can go to a service like MedicareBenefits.com, enter in all that information, and we'll help you narrow down a plan to find the plan that best meets your personal needs.
And what people should look for when they are choosing a plan?
You know, choosing a plan is a very personal situation. So people need to look for pieces of information that are specific. I would tell you one of the things that's most important to people is the ability to see the doctors that they already see. So does the plan you're looking for have a network? Are your doctors in that network? And then also, are your prescription drugs covered on the formulary of that plan? I think those are two really important things. And then anything else that might be important to you on a secondary basis, things like, do I need dental coverage, vision, hearing? Would I like to have access to a gym, or do I need telemedicine? Those are things to also consider.
And why is choosing a Medicare plan that really fits consumers' needs more important now than ever before, especially in light of the COVID-19 pandemic?
Well, I think peace of mind is probably the most important thing to people, right? In light of this pandemic, what most people want is that peace of mind that if they have to access their coverage, they have it. So it's really important on the front end to go through the process of doing your own kind of needs analysis and self-determination that you have a plan that meets what you are looking for. Once you go through that, you can kind of rest assured for the remainder of the next year that you have a plan that covers the things that you're going to need.
And how can you compare current plans with others that are available in your area?
Well, utilizing services like Medicare Benefits, you can go online, enter the information, and compare plans side by side. If you're not comfortable doing it by yourself online, you can most certainly call our call center. The telephone number is listed on the website, or and once you make that call, we have licensed, trained, and certified agents who can assist you through the process.
And anything else that we should know before we get ready to really review our coverage?
I think the thing that's really important is that situations change and plans change, and you may want to make sure that you review. You may have a plan that you're very happy with, but if they've changed their formulary, or you've had a change in disease classification or a new sickness and you're on different prescriptions, you want to make sure that the plan you're going to have in 2021 has the coverage you need.
Well, thank you so much, Kyal Moody, Medicare expert, for joining us today on Park City Television, giving us this important information about reviewing our Medicare coverage.
Thank you so much.